So that's what we're doing now. Okay. Are you guys in a breakfast rut? Do you find yourself making the same boring bowl of oatmeal or cereal every morning? Well, to help breathe some life into our breakfast and maybe inspire some new dishes for the school year, registered dietitian Nishtha Saxena is here to share her flavorful favorites and healthy international breakfast ideas. Nishtha, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Okay, yes, so I'm looking down the line here, and there's a lot of different meals from different places around the world?
Different places around the world where most people actually start their breakfast with something kind of spicy and not sweet.
Right,
So starting here, we have a rice porridge called congee.
Okay.
It's very high in collagen because it's often made with an animal broth. It has energy from the rice. It's often made with red beans and black beans, which adds antioxidants.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, keep going. No, keep talking.
And
keep
garlic.
Going.
Garlic adds a bit of that.
See, I gotta say, it looks like oatmeal.
It looks
and
like
I know
oatmeal.
I'm gonna taste it, and my brain is gonna think it's gonna taste like one thing. It's gonna taste like something different.
Well, you have to open your mind.
Yeah, because I'm known for that. Okay.
Yeah, it's very popular. You know, in other places in the world, lots of people start with something savory in the morning instead of something sweet.
Oh, that's not bad.
You can make it ahead of time, and there's very custom ways to make it. It's made all different ways around the world.
I'm getting them. I mean, yeah, there's a porridgey feel to it, but it's closer to a risotto.
Yes, so there you go. That's a nice way to start your morning, right?
Yeah, wouldn't mind that every day.
And then here we go to India.
So this is one of your favorites.
This is one of my favorites. I grew up with a version of this. It was made into like an omelet. It's called eggs burji.
Okay.
So because it's tons of eggs, egg yolks, very high in choline.
A lot of eggs here.
Very high in protein.
What are we looking at here?
We are looking at also some green chilies. So you can take the seeds out if you're worried about the heat. Adds a ton of vitamin C. Give it a try.
All right.
Fantastic. It's a really, really nice way to spice up your eggs, kick your eggs in the pants.
That's a lot of flavor.
It's a lot of flavor.
There's a lot of flavor. You're throwing a lot of vegetables in there as well.
Absolutely, and then you're getting fiber as well and some whole grain toast to finish it off.
Fantastic. Okay, I've had this before.
I know, you already know this chilaquiles.
Yes.
From Mexico. We've got eggs, we've got some nice corn chips here, which actually adds a lot of lysine, which is an amino acid we don't get enough of.
What's this tomato stuff here?
It's sort of like a salsa type tomato with cheese and green onions. And we have some radishes here as well, which is a beautiful addition.
You can really make this any way you want,
You can.
right?
You can kind of customize it.
It's like a kitchen sink sort of thing.
Yes, absolutely.
Yep.
And so the nice thing about this, it's also high in vitamin E, which is really hard to get in typical North American style breakfast that you might be accustomed to eating.
Try it with the
Give that a try.
there.
Runny
Look at
egg.
that.
Delish.
I mean,
Your mind is exploding with the flavor.
it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh,
I mean, how can you not love that?
This looks a little bit similar.
Also from Mexico, Huevos Rancheros. That beauty here is we've added the additional refried beans underneath the egg and the corn tortillas. So tons of soluble fiber here. Also avocado adds soluble fiber. Fantastic for your gut, fantastic for your heart.
I'm getting in there.
Just get right in there. You need an extra spoon. Here's a spoon.
There we go.
Got it? I can't believe you have not spilt any egg yolk on yourself.
I'm
Amazing.
a professional.
You are.
That's very
good.
good.
True. Love that?
Yes, I am. Okay, what am I looking at here?
This is from Venezuela. This is called cachapas.
Oh, that's got some spice right there.
Got a little spice. And cachapas is nice because you can make it ahead and freeze it. It actually has calcium. It's usually made with pork.
Okay.
It's sort of like a pancake.
Wait, it's a pork pancake?
It's like a pork pancake.
There's pork in this?
There is pork in that, yeah. So the nice part about this, you're getting some protein, but you're also getting zinc, which is very important at this time of year.
Well, that's interesting.
Okay. Interesting.
I mean, you're ruining the pork with all this fancy stuff on top.
Okay. But for many people, it's a very, very delicious breakfast. You can also customize this if you wanted to make it a different way.
Right, I'd put bacon on top.
There you go.
Okay, lastly, Australia's own Vegemite.
Yes.
I mean, what is it?
It's a brewer's yeast. It's sort of like they scrape the barrel, they have this brewer's yeast, they add a few components to it, a little bit of salt. It's essentially like a B vitamin shot. Very high in folate.
What's it taste like?
It's amazing.
No.
It's
I asked what it
amazing.
tastes like, and you said it tastes amazing.
It has sort of a nutty, it can't be described, a yeasty, nutty deliciousness. You'll feel supercharged afterwards. Very popular in Australia.
No,
also,
I'm going back to this. That's not.
It's also a source of iron.
That is super. Thank you so much.
You're so
I'm going to enjoy. You want to enjoy this with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's jump in.
Okay. Fantastic.
That was fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.